G'day there guys and girls, this is Naughty from Hurricane Lures Australia. I've put a bit of a short video together just showing how effective the fatty actually is so you guys can see for yourself. On this particular day we probably caught 30 plus flathead and 20 plus brim easily. Should have probably started the video prior and finished it sort of a bit long, but we ran out of storage on the iPhone, so couldn't keep filming. There's a couple of photos at the end of an 80 centimetre flathead and a 39 centimetre brim caught on the same day. It's our first attempt, or my first attempt of doing a video, so I hope it's not too boring for you, and I will get better. So sit back and enjoy, and get out and get a fatty, smack 'em. So I don't know whether you can see that that little bit of an edge there. You've got a sand flat, then you've got a bit of an edge, so I'm sort of fishing the edge of the sand flat. Throw that fatty out there. See what happens. So we can pull another one that. There we go, we're on. Don't know what this is. Just a little fish again. Little brim. You can see how quick that was. Oh, what do we got? A little ludric. Come here, little fella. Not worrying too much about netting the thing. There we go. Sit him on the deck so he doesn't get caught in the carpet. Just using the tinny today. Just a little ludric. We'll get him off and have a few more casts. Okay, the fatty's going out there again. See how she goes. Out there on the nice long cast. Long casts are very important when you're fishing flats. Fish spook very easily. I'm hardly even piffing that fatty. I could probably even get a bit further, but I'm trying to keep it a bit close for you guys at home. Bring him in, we'll toss him out again. A little bit of crap on there. Get rid of that. Clean up. See if we can pin another one of these for you guys at home. Show you how effective these fatties are. Look at that cast. Just beautiful. I don't think there's many fat lures that cast like these guys can. We're on again. There you go. It's only another. He's having a bit of a dip. Oh yeah, another flathead. Always tide trigger a bit easy on these flathead. They like to eat your lures. Come on, little fella. Got a good feed of these fellas already today, so this one will be going back in once we get him on board. Come on. Sit him up on the deck so you fellas can see him. Another nice little fish. Go again. Just let him go. See if we can get something a little bit bigger for you fellas at home. You guys, I'm an absolute fishing nut. I just love it, especially when they, oh, just had a good hit then. Did you see that, guys? You'd smack that. Come on, come back for seconds. Come on. You wanted it. Ooh. He had a good crack at it, but we better toss that back out there again. See if we can get him to have another go. That cast is against the wind, as you can see, and we're still getting a nice bit of distance on it. Come around here a bit. This one again, but still good fun. I just love catching fish on hard bodies. Another flatty. Bloody caught that many of these today, it's a joke. They're just loving it. Another little fella. Come on, sit still. Off the carpet, stuck the hook's getting stuck in there. Whack this power pole down. Get something a bit bigger for you guys. Oh, we've got a bit of line twist there. How are we going to get that out of there? Alright, here we go. Toss that out. Whoa. Okay, let's see if we can get something a bit bigger for you guys at home. Show you how effective these fatties are. There you go. I've been using like a slow roll and a twitch. Slow roll and a twitch. Seems to be working today. There you go. Oh, he friggin' wanted that. He hit that hard. Whew. Hit it really hard. He smacked it. Absolutely smacked the shit out of that. That was that slow roll and a little twitch. What do we got here? Looks a lively brim. He was a hungry fella too. I'll grab the net so we get you in. He's only just slipped. So he's a nice East Gippsland brim. And you can see the fatty smacks him again. We'll just get this fella off and we'll have another cast. one again, but still good fun. I just love catching fish on hard bodies. Another flatty. Bloody caught that many of these today, it's a joke. They're just loving it. Another little fella. Come on. Sit still. Keep them off the carpet. The hook's getting stuck in there. Whack this power pole down.